Good afternoon, this is Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures for your August 15th daily wrap-up. Overnight, the markets had a relatively narrow range, very unusual for the last couple of weeks. Both the Asian markets and the European markets were up. Did get a little bit of news out of Europe in that the central bank announced that they bought about $32 billion worth of Italian and Spanish bonds. A little bit higher. People were expecting only in the low 20s, 20 to 22. So that was actually a positive that they're willing to actually put their money where their mouth is, which was kind of nice. But the big news of today was there was a lot of takeover activities. The old Merger Monday is back. Several different deals, Rig and a couple other people. Bank of America getting rid of some of their credit card business. But the news of the day was Google trying to buy the Motorola phone system. So that was a very headline number, a big premium. It's going to send the market off on a very good foot. We had some other news today. The Japanese GDP came in a little bit better than expected. However, it was negative, so it's been negative for 3 quarters in a row. So Japan is now officially back into a recession. However, the fact that it was slightly better than expected actually was what they took out of that. So that was actually pretty good. The Empire State Manufacturing Survey came in horrible today. It came down -7. They were actually looking for around 0, so this is a horrible number. Now we discounted a little bit because New York Fed doesn't do quite as much manufacturing as the others, and we are looking forward to the other Fed surveys to actually, if they confirm that, that would be back. IBM was recommended by a couple of firms also, so they got off to a good start. So all in all, it was a good day. We moved up during the course of the day, and we closed pretty close to our high. The SPX closed up 25 today. The Dow closed up 213. NASDAQ closed up 47. And the bonds were negative pretty much the whole day, and so the 10-year yield closed down 15 basis points to closed up 15 basis points to 2.28, well above 2.25 now. Dollar index closed down a full point, 73.88. Another story of the day though, the VIX made a big move today to the downside. The VIX closed around 31, down 4.5 points. Looking forward, tomorrow we have some housing numbers. Hasn't been good for the last 6 months, so we'll see how that goes. Industrial production is also tomorrow, but one of the bigger numbers of the week is going to be the Philly Fed, which is on Thursday. This is Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures.